we have 7 airdrops to go and check or claim at the same time, so make sure to stick until the end because you don't want to miss it. And with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, Skate. Now, Skate has just come out today, and you can go and check your allocation right here. So let me know down in the comments your allocation. It gets unlocked on the 9th of June, so in 3 days. I got 400 token as of right now. I think they are 400, yeah, 400 token, not 400,000. So 400 token, let me know down below your allocation, and you can both go and claim it on the TG date, so on the 9th of June, on the Ethereum address, or you can go and claim it off-chain to centralized exchange such as Bitget and Qcoin. I personally think I will go and grab it over on my wallet. I simply click to agree, and then you will be able to go and claim your tokens right here. Or with the centralized exchange, you can simply go and input your wallet, depending on Bitget or Qcoin, and they will be sending it there. This, you will have the possibility to sell it immediately if you want by doing this one. So yeah, let me know your allocation down below. Next up, we have Lagrange airdrop, which in my current location, I'm not eligible to, nor even available to go and see it. So let me know your allocation down below because I do want to know it. Next up, we have the Elias network, which I am not eligible for it. This is on the Kepler wallet. So Skate One, you go and connect your EVM wallet. Lagrange, I don't know because they don't even let me in. Elias, you go and connect your Kepler wallet right here. As we say, you go and simply put your Kepler, MetaMask, or whichever wallet. I personally would have done with the Kepler wallet. Next up, we have the redacted airdrop right here, which they have a total of 120 million token to be released. So you could be one of the eligible users to go and receive it. The token price, as we see right here, over on the past month as well, it has been at the 1.5 cents. So it has gone extremely down from 10 cents a month ago all the way down to 1.4. So a tremendous drop down. But go and claim it, go and sell it. Next up, we have the SNS airdrop, which we do have right here. Simply go and put your Solana address. In this case, my address, one of my address right here. Go and check it, click on all of the things that they require you to go and click, accept, and if you're eligible, you will see that you are eligible for it, which I personally am not. So very easy, very straightforward to go and do it. We then have the MYX airdrop is live, and here you can go and connect your wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, or Kepler. Go and connect, in this case, my MetaMask wallet, and you can go and check if you are eligible for it or not. If you are eligible, you will have the voice right here, claim the airdrop, and do all of them goodies, because it could be something interesting for you. Another one that I do want to talk about, which is not yet out, but it is coming very, very soon, is the GRBT airdrop. If you go to the liquidity league over here, you're able to go and see if you have won or not. Also, the liquidity event that we did participate in, that did ended right here, the trading rush, we did capitalize over 2 billion tokens. So there is almost $60,000 in price. If you can still join them, the link will be down below. Of course, look for the GRBT name, and then you can go and earn with the portfolio, with the liquidity. If we go over to my portfolio, for example, aside from the affiliate one, which doesn't count for creator which participated in them, you can go and check your trading points. This trading point, the epoch point as well over here, in this case my invitational point, as well as the liquidity point. All of these will then go and be summarized into what the airdrop will be. So you still have time. We're now currently on epoch 16. Checker is not live, snapshot has not been taken, so make sure to go and join right now. We then have the Huma airdrop, the Huma Finance airdrop. Connect your wallet right here, connect your Solana wallet. This is on the Solana ecosystem. We have already gone and see it a while back, but if you haven't done it, make sure to go and do it. You can still check and claim if you are eligible. And then we have the Layer Edge airdrop, probably the worst airdrop so far of the end of May, beginning of June. And we already done it, but this was just a total of 7 airdrops, 8 airdrops that you can go and check your allocation. Some of them you can already claim them. So with that said, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao guys.